A lot of first-time buyers hear they only need 3.5% down to buy a home. But what does that actually mean? Let's break it down in simple terms. The 3.5% down payment is commonly associated with an FHA loan. Instead of putting down 20% down, qualified buyers may be able to purchase a home with just little as 3.5% of the purchase price. For example, if you're buying a $500,000 home, a 3.5% down payment would be $17,500. That's significantly less than a 20% down payment, which would be $100,000 on the same home. This lower down payment is one reason FHA loans are so popular with many first-time buyers. Now, here's something important. The 3.5% is only the down payment. It doesn't include closing costs or prepaid expenses that may also be due at closing. But many buyers are surprised by that. Closing costs can vary depending on the transaction, the loan, and also the location. In some cases, buyers may negotiate seller credits to help cover a portion of those costs. Another common question is, does everyone qualify for 3.5% down? Not necessarily. Buyers still need to meet lenders and loan program requirements, including income, credit score, employment, and other qualifications. Another myth is that putting only 3.5% down is a bad financial decision. For some buyers, waiting years to save 20% down may not be the right choice. For others, putting more money down could make sense. There's not one size fits all answer. It depends on your financial goals and situation. Now let's talk about monthly payments. A smaller down payment usually means borrowing more money, which may result in a higher monthly mortgage payment. FHA loans also typically include mortgage insurance, which is another cost buyers should understand before purchasing a home. That's why it's important to look at the entire monthly payment, not just the down payment. Here's another thing many buyers don't realize. You don't need to have every dollar in cash yourself. Depending on the loan program, eligible gift funds from family members or down payment assistance programs may be available for some buyers. Talk to your lender to see what options may apply to your situation. The bottom line is this: a 3.5% down payment can make homeownership more accessible for many buyers, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. Before buying, understand your total costs, monthly payment, and loan options so you can make the decision that's right for you. If you'd like to see what a 3.5% down payment could look like for you and your budget in Los Angeles County, you can text or call me at 562-484-8138 or reach out to me on Instagram at Bryan_Marota. Thank you for watching.